love to adventure solo and capture the places that I visit, but I don't always have a photographer with me, and sometimes I don't feel like carrying around my heavy gear. So come along with me while I show you how you can capture all your own shots with the Hover Air X1. The Hover Air X1 is a pocket-sized self-flying drone that's perfect for all your summer travels. Flying is so simple. Just press a button and the Hover Air X1 will launch and land in the palm of your hand. It's lightweight, foldable, and perfect for any adventure. What I love most about this drone is how easy it is to capture dynamic shots with camera movement all by yourself. 5 intelligent flight modes allow you to capture a wide variety of shots. You can use the app to change settings or simply press the button and off you go. When you're finished shooting, you can instantly transfer your photos to your phone with the Hover Air X1 app. I love how empowering this little drone is. Shoot what you want, when you want, and don't stress about the settings or controls. I had a blast trying it out, and I know you will too. Follow along for more summer adventures.